Good afternoon, all. Last time we have seen in Python programming how to concatenate two strings. Now, let us see the conditional statement in Python. If is the conditional statement in Python, sometimes in some situations in programming language we have to take decisions, and whether that decision is depending on particular condition, we can take decision. So the syntax for particular if statement is if condition colon statement. So if this condition is true, then statement after the if will get executed. So here we have considered a small example. Let us have the values a and b. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 5. So we want to check whether a is less than b. That is our condition. And if that condition is true, then we'll print yes, value a is less than b. So if a is less than b, colon, print a is less than b. So to follow the syntax in programming language is important. If that condition is true, then it will print that a is less than b. Here, when we use if, so giving indentation to the statement is important. We have to follow the syntax. Otherwise, Python can give error. Which is important. If that condition is true, then it will print that a is less than b. And we are going to see more programs in